I'm alayzamaylao, your Davawenya gamer. Kung bago kayo sa YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo every time I upload. So for today's video, may panibagong unboxing na naman tayo galing from Gskill. So big shoutout to Gskill for giving us an opportunity to have their brand sponsorship. Thank you so much Gskill for supporting our live stream and content. So we have here now the package. Ayan. Sobrang ano pa niya, fresh from ano pa siya. Naka-sealed pa guys. So, let's open it. So, eto, naka-bubble wrap siya, guys. So, as you can see naman sa box pa lang yan. So, para siyang jewelry box, guys. How about more sa loob pa? And this is their final package kapag bumili kayo ng Gskill products. So, andito yung logo niya, guys. The logo and Gskill Trident Z Royal. So let's open it. And guys, at first look, makikita mo na yung microfiber cloth. Take a closer look, guys.
This is the newly released memory of Gskill. It is the Trident Z Royal Gold. It is their flagship memory, a 3200 8x2 GB. My first impression is very obvious. It is premium, fragile, and very precious looking. It is crystallized, made of plastic, and this memory is perfect for your gaming rig and experience. Itong crystallize niya, ito yung umiilaw, which is the RGB, and meron din to siyang silver, guys. Ang availability niya sa market ay nasa 16GB to 128GB.
So, may testing kit to siya guys. Unfortunately, wala tayo nun. So, abangan nyo siya sa aking mga susunod na video guys. Ito yung gagamitin ko for my PC build. Isasali ko siya at papakita ko kung gaano siya kaganda kapag umiilaw na siya guys. So, that's it guys. So, if you want shout out or may question kayo, just comment down below at sasagutin ko yan isa-isa. See you on my next videos!